Alright, so every Memorial Day weekend I change out the flags. They usually get pretty tattered, so it's about a year I get out of each flag. I always fly the Army flag right below the US flag. I took that down because I was using my shortwave wire antenna there, as you can kind of see right next to it, and if you get the right direction from the wind, it would touch the wire and kind of ground it out. So we're gonna take the flags down, get them switched out with some new ones. Alright, that's a lot better. Now if we got a little breeze today, we'd be in some pretty good shape. So should be good now until the next Memorial Day, unless it really gets tattered, but we'll see. It's supposed to be all weather flags, so alright, that's it for now.